Hey friends, and welcome back to Camp Mom Spring Break Edition. I'm doing DIYs and activities all week long for spring break. For Wednesday, I'm doing Win It Wednesday, so we are playing some games, and I kind of fell down our stairs outside, so it kind of put a damper a little bit on the week. So listen, what we're going to do is we're going to see which spoons are the best. So you're going to pick one spoon first and then see.
I think this one.
You think that one?
Yeah, I think this one's good because it has like a circular. I think this guy's and a water balloon's like a circular thing.
That's a great observation, Camden. What do you think, Ayla?
I think mine's going to the back.
So you have to go slow and try and keep your water balloon on your spoon and walk all the way down here, okay? Ayla, you're not supposed to hold it. Carter and Camden, put your hand a little under. You're not, do it like that. There you go. Ah! 1 down, 2 down. All right, you want to try a different spoon?
Ayla's didn't pop.
Wow.
I'm not cheating.
You're not cheating? Oh, you guys now turn around and try and go back.
Oh,
no. Now try and hold it out, Carter. No.
I win.
You gotta go to the start line.
I win.
Yeah.
I had an angel balloon. I win.
Next, we played a game called Peep Head, and I'll be sure to link all these pins below for you too. Are you ready for shaving cream head? Carter, look at me. You ready for shaving cream head?
Hey, can I see that real quick?
Hold on. All right. Now, Ayla and Aaron, stand up. You have to see who can throw as many peeps onto your brother's head. Come here. Stand right here at the line and hold your peeps.
These aren't edible, right?
We are not going to eat these ones.
No, just
Ayla, go do Carter's head.
shaving cream isn't edible.
No, do not eat the shaving cream. Okay, ready? Put them on your brother's head. Go! Aaron, throw them on Camden's head. Camden, show her your head so she can. Oh, Ayla got one. Aaron got one.
Ow. Oh, now I get why it's called the peep.
Now you get why it's called peep head, huh?
Because there's peeps.
All right, who got them all on first? Carter and Ayla did. Carter got them all on first. All right, Ayla. Now put your peeps back inside their box.
Peep.
How many peeps are gonna get on your head?
Aaron.
Help her hat, Camden.
Ayla.
You have to slide your head back up, Ayla. Help her slide her hat back up. Erin's got one on her head. Look, you gotta slide the cream on the top of your head like that. Help slide it on the top.
She's a peep monster.
It's so heavy on your guys' little tiny heads. Erin's got a peep head.
I'm just keep squishing peeps.
Where's Ayla?
I'm a peep head. Can I?
Yeah, shake them. Not really sunscreen, but
Where's a peep?
that's not good, Aaron.
Oh my God, is this a peep? Ayla, don't touch my baby. I thought it was a peep before.
Oh, okay. What are you doing, Ayla? You guys can write letters in it too, you know. Write the letter A, Ayla. On the ground, you can write the letter A in the stuff that's already there. See how when you move it, it makes lines? For Take a Trip Thursday, we had a couple of problems because our minivan was in the shop, and since I rolled my ankle, we couldn't quite do that hike. My new minivan! Hooray!
Looks a little tiny.
But we made do, and we took a trip to our own backyard to plant some flowers and look for some creatures. Carter, where are we taking a trip to? The bus stop and our backyard. Yep. First trip is up our hill. Up our hill to plant some flowers. Okay, so I was clearing away all of the leaves and was quite surprised to see what's that, Carter?
Baby turtle.
What is that?
A baby turtle. Can we keep him as a pet?
We can't keep him as a pet. He's a nature's turtle. You want to hold him in your hand though? Oh, he's a little scared in his shell. Oh, there he goes. Look how teeny he is. Wow, he's a big mover. I don't know if he wants to be held. He's a little scared, I think. Oh, yeah, see, he won't even let me pick him up. Call the other kids over here to see him.
No.
Why?
I want to hold him too.
He's wiggling, look. Tell the kids. I don't want any kids to hold him, okay?
But I have a glove on.
I know, but he's really he's a little scared, I think.
I want to keep it.
He thinks we're a predator. He thinks a hawk has come and picked him up. So he moves moving really fast. See? See how fast he's moving?
So cute.
Yeah, teeny tiny baby.
We're not a predator.
We're not a predator.
We're not a predator.
We're just trying to learn about you.
Yeah.
Thank you for letting us learn.
Where's his dad?
Don't know.
Maybe he's...
Camden, poke a hole so he can kind of go through there.
I'm trying.
He likes going underneath the leaves. He felt safe under there, I think.
Did it.
Good job.
Now what?
That's it. And do another one?
Now what?
Right there.
Did it.
Another one. Right here.
So we're gonna put one right there.
Okay.
I'll put this one right here.
For Family Friday, we had quite a surprise in store for the kids. Those aren't butterflies. What are those? Bumblebees. Don't touch, Erin. She's waving. Hello.
Look at that. See that one back there? It has no hair on its neck?
Where'd the duckies go?
Scared.
Yeah.
Yellow.
See it right back there with no hair on its neck? That's how they're made. That's what they're supposed to be called, like a turkey neck. No, it's a
Chickies.
What are you gonna name her?
Pikachu.
Down there. Good job.
That
one's mine.
Your turn. All right, I got it. Dude, that's why you got to go with me to get the box. They didn't get to do that. They went to the workshop.
What's yours names?
Butterfree.
Butterfree.
Let me just scoop them up and then you can take her. All right, this one right here.
I'll go.
All right. Oh, you got it? All right.
Got it.
Yeah.
All the way up.
Yeah.
What's yours names?
Let's catch her.
Mine, Pidgeotto.
Pidgeotto. Yours is the biggest one too. Like you're the biggest kid.
That was
Easy, Aaron, Ayla.
Sweet like you. Pet her one more time.
Yeah.
The one that's really black is mine.
All right.
Aaron, what's yours name?
How many are we getting?
We already have a flock of backyard chickens, so we are adding some chicks into the mix as well. Obviously, don't get chicks for Easter if you're not planning to have chickens, right? But we love our backyard flock and we're excited to add to it. What?
She said,
She said chicks.
This hair. What is this? What is this? What is this thing?
Probably just hay. There's our new chickens, huh? Thank you so much for watching. As always, you can find more from us here. Make sure you subscribe to follow our adventures. Give it a big thumbs up and let me know down in the comments How has your spring break been? Have a great spring. Bye, guys.